Hi guys, it's me Frosty Jr. and I kind of did a fit change, but look, I'm a little bit more drippy now. Look at my little hat. I love my hat. I'll never ever lose it. Now, today I'm gonna revive um Big Bird. So yeah, I'm just cut. So over here I'm planning to build it. So the first thing I will need is good a good a good little tree. Gonna make tree house. Oh my god, my hands hurt so much. This might be a short video of mine, but this is this is the progress. I'm gonna show you. Okay, hold on. There's also a really weird stuff going around here because I installed the mod. I'm gonna show you one of them. I keep seeing this. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna find out. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb to see. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go eat lunch. I'm hungry as poop dog.